To operate tool, insert battery pack after loading nails. Before squeezing the trigger, grip the work light grip switch on the handle to activate the nailer. Test the depth of the nail by driving a nail into a scrap piece of wood of the same type as the workpiece. To make adjustments, rotate the air pressure dial to increase or decrease depth of nail head on material surface. If finer adjustments are needed, use the depth of drive adjustment on the tool. Reinstall battery and reactivate the tool by pressing the work light grip switch. Drive a test nail after each adjustment until the desired depth is set. Single sequential mode drives one nail with each pull of the trigger and is denoted by a single nail icon. Push the tool against the work surface to depress the workpiece contact and squeeze and hold the trigger to drive a nail. Note: hold trigger until drive cycle is complete. Contact actuation mode allows very fast repetitive nail placement and is denoted by a multiple nail icon. In this mode, you can drive one nail with each depression of the tool against the work surface. Squeeze and hold the trigger, push the tool against the work surface to depress the workpiece contact, and drive a nail. Note: hold trigger until drive cycle is complete. When the magazine is almost empty of nails, the dry fire lockout feature will not allow continued operation. To resume operation, reload the tool with nails. If the work contacting element does not depress fully and the tool doesn't operate, the work contacting element is jammed. Remove battery and nails and clear debris. The lockout feature may be engaged due to a lack of nails. Add nails to fix the issue. If the tool operates properly, but fasteners do not drive fully, the air pressure may be too low or the depth of drive isn't deep enough. Remove the battery and increase the air pressure and adjust depth of drive accordingly as required. Replace the battery and test the depth of drive. The nail may be too long for wood hardness. Use a shorter nail that is appropriate for the wood. If the tool operates properly, but fasteners are driven too deep, the air pressure may be too high. Depth of drive is too deep. Remove the battery and decrease the air pressure and adjust depth of drive as required. Replace battery and test the depth of drive. If the tool jams frequently, the nails may be the wrong size.